Man. Man, that may be my biggest one ever right there. Man, he just came on up on me out of nowhere. Hey y'all, this is Jerry here again with you, Country Folks 100. Today we just got a little collection of some of our hunts, our deer hunts that we've done this year through the latter part of November. It's here towards the beginning of December right now. So we'll just show you a few of these little hunts. Towards the end, I'll show you where I'd killed the last deer that's in this video. We'll just show you over here in a little bit where I'd killed it and everything. All right, y'all stay tuned. That'll be my last doe that I need to take this year. We've taken 3 of them off the property, so that's well enough for us on this little piece of ground. But I'm gonna sit here for a little bit and see if any more deer comes in there. She just dropped right out there. Those 3 of them came in real early this morning. I didn't get the footage of the shot or nothing, but she fell down there. I can see where she's at, so I know we're good there. But there's a bunch of crows that came down there too. All right, it came down here. I got her. Big old doe. Alright, got my stand is way down there. About 130-yard shot, something like that. I always came over here to Wesley's stand. He said he shot one over here. So we've got down here where we can try to help. Wes, tell us real quick what has happened. We were hunting just down the way. We heard some shots.
We heard 4 shots.
Yeah, you probably did.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so I got down here. It's right there. It's getting kind of early. It was just barely light. I see a deer come through there. I'm like, maybe that's a buck, maybe it's not. It's in that little thicket right there. It comes through the middle lane, looks up at me. I see like a big thing like this, you know, like a big horn. And I'm like, dang, you know, I might want to shoot him. Goes through there, comes out. He's in between 2 trees. I'm like, well, I better not shoot him, you know. I could, I better not. So he goes off, takes off, and I'm like, man, I probably should have shot him, you know. I mean, you know, so I'm thinking about that the whole time. Stuff, and that dude walks out down here like at, I don't know what time it was.
It was right before 9 when I heard a shot.
Yeah, I think so. And I shot him. Then he falls. He's still moving a little bit. And I'm like, well, I think I should shoot him again. So I shot again. I think I missed. Shook up. I mean, I shook up.
Those
you know,
second shots are
seen,
usually hard to hit anything.
And, so I got down there. Dad, you know, he's telling me, oh, you better go down there, you know, put one in him real quick, and I did.
You eased down there?
Yeah,
Okay.
he was moving a lot, but, you know, he's a decent little 8-point, you know.
Okay. All right.
Let's go see.
Let's go see.
Okay.
Man.
Is he still moving?
No.
Probably right now.
No, he's done now.
It looks like
Nate, can you hold this for me?
Sure.
Thank you. Man, that is nice.
Stress a lot.
Yeah, that one took some doing. Yeah, that's the over on the next property. Nice 8-point. Golly. Hold him up there for me a little bit, Wes, if you could.
Here, I know what
I
you're
won't
doing.
shoot nobody. I probably missed.
I'll
but,
hold all of the guns.
Look at the body size
I
on
know.
it.
See,
Man.
that's what I thought.
Good grief. I guess with me killing these little does, I guess it does look pretty big to me.
Oh, he's big.
Yeah,
He's decent.
that's nice, Wes. Good
I tell
job.
you, after seeing that one, I couldn't let him go. I mean, I was thinking, I was like, man.
That the other one, what he look like?
All I saw was like a big G2, and then the main beam going out, and I was like, man, he's pretty good. I'm like, man, I know there's a bigger one out there, and I don't think he's bigger, but you know.
Man.
Hey,
He's something.
out.
Before I fall.
Here.
All right. There's the. Golly. Man.
Yeah, I've seen that one. He's 17 inches wide, and this one's 21, and that one's 20.
Wow.
It's a good deer.
The big buck that I killed in the video, I know I didn't get good footage of it because I wasn't really hunting that day. I just took a little bit of video with my cell phone after the fact and everything. But I was going to show what had happened because it was so crazy how it did happen. That stand that's right over there, I haven't hunted that yet this year. Where I killed the 2 does at is actually over there. There's a stand straight down that way. I was coming over here, I was going to move all my stuff to this stand. I carried a couple things over there, my little heater and stuff, and I'd set them down, and I was walking back to go get some more stuff out of the stand. Here, Western. Yeah. So yeah, so I'd already walked over that way, put some of my stuff down, and I was fixing to go back over there. And I got back to right here. It's 2 o'clock in the day. I was just wearing the same clothes that I was wearing that night whenever I'd worked all night the night before. Came home, slept for a little bit, got up into the day, and was doing this in the middle part of the day. And when I got back right here, I heard something coming from right down here. And I thought it was just maybe a little buck chasing a doe or something like that, because it was after Thanksgiving. Around that time, our bucks around here will be rutting. But it was our biggest deer that we'd had on the camper, our trail cameras. And it comes right up through there. I'd got to right here, and I could see right through all that brushy stuff. He was on the bottom side. You can see that's a ridge. It drops off right there. And he came up that ridge, and that little, can't tell what kind of tree that is. It's not a bay. It's a little oak tree there, I think. And he came up that ridge. You can see that, see that little pine limb where the pine cones is on it right there. That's where he finally stopped. So I got down like this, and I had the 30-30 with me. And I put it on him. He just happened to stop right there. I think he saw me. He was trying to figure out what it was. So I shot, hit him right there. Hit him good, but I didn't really know how I'd hit him because my scope was zoomed in too far. It wasn't that's 14 yards. I stepped it off the other day. It was 14 paces. Yeah. And so I shot him pretty good actually, but I didn't know it at the time. He wheeled around, he ran off down over there. He probably went about 50 yards and he died. We got somebody over here with a dog just to be on the safe side, and we found him without too much trouble. But yeah, that was the story of that big deer. That was a pretty crazy day.
That's awesome, man.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Man, that may be my biggest one ever right there. Man, he just came on up on me out of nowhere.
Yeah, get him off there on the ground. Let me back up. Yeah, make sure y'all can
Good. Here, roll him over, and
now you can just drag him around. Maybe let me before we get.
Well, I'm gonna go ahead and sign off here. I just want to let y'all hear that little crazy story and see some of the deer that we had taken this year. Matt killed 2 really big deer. On the video, only had the one because my phone was dead whenever he had got the other one. but you did get to see that first one. But all right, well, we'll see y'all again next time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. We'll see y'all next time. All right, bye.
I think that was pretty good.